The Wizard of Oz has many technical responsibilities as far as the set is concerned. The first one is probably the most difficult, and it is the Oz head, the big structure that speaks to Dorothy and her friends. We're making it so that the eyes move and the mouth moves and fog comes out, smoke comes out. It's going to be lit. So just the basic function of making that almost a puppet, a huge 7-foot tall puppet is what we're trying to do. So it took a lot of planning, probably 2.5 weeks of planning and scale modeling, and then putting it together based on the scale model and the planning. It's taken quite a long time, and the discussions are always about how form follows function and designing and making something really work. And it's coming together quite nicely. It's probably halfway through its build right now, and I'm very pleased with it, and I think that'll be one of the really symbolic moments in the show, and I'm looking forward to seeing it being finished.
Hi, my name is Colton Sutherland. This is my second year in crew. Me and my group are making the Oz head. I started off with a bunch of little scale models of designing and processing how we're going to actually do this. And we just had to make eyes and a mouth move, and we just finished that. And we're starting on making the actual shape of the face out of chicken wire and paper mache. So I think that's it.
Crew members, their responsibilities are to continue. Most of them are tech theater students, so they already have projects in the tech theater class that they're working on. And they continue those right now in the early stages of crew. They are literally still building because we need that time to do so. Their responsibilities after the build is done will be very specific. They'll, for instance, running sound, running lights, running the spotlights, working backstage on set manipulation, not just the building of it, but the manipulating of it means moving it or making it function. So we have people who will be inside the Oz head, making the eyes move, making the mouth move. We have people off stage who will be making Glinda float. We'll have people behind the witch's castle making the witch disintegrate or to melt. And so everyone will have a specific task backstage, what they have to manipulate and what they have to do, or they'll be on the other side of the curtain working in the technical mode of lights and sound, and we have some special effects that will be happening, some flash pots of smoke and fire, and so there'll be people in charge of that as well. There's a lot to do for this show, for the crew. But right now, as we start early in October and then into November, they'll still be building until it's done.